Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about an essential topic for an school. So the topic is how to make an school management system using WordPress in 2025, and it will be an step-by-step guide for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we are already set up our WordPress, and if you see the site, this is our website design, this is the front end design. So I'm going to introduce a new plugin that called WP School. So how I can do it, you just need to visit on plugin and click on add plugin. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the panel where you can install any plugin from that place or upload plugin. So I'm going to search, that will be WP School, and let's hit enter button and wait a bit. So there's no plugin yet, so let's search for school. So I hope now we will get couple of options. Here you can see this first one called school management system, WP School. So I'm going to click this one, and it is, as you can see, feature role based. As you can see that the feature is role-based access. User like school admin, then school students, parents and teacher can easily log in and access their respective user-friendly dashboard. Then student attendance management system, admin and teacher can do attendance management on daily basis. Then we have classroom and subjects as a student managing plugin. WP School WordPress has made simple for admin to create new classes. Then we have another feature that called student grade management system, and also it has school schedule management system and many more. So if you love this one, you just need to click on install now. As you can see, like 2000 plus people already installed it, and it has 4 star out of 5 star, and 21 people give this review. So I am just going to install it for my users. Just click over here install, and it will take a while to install it, so we need to be wait a bit to complete the process. Once it's done, then you will get the option called activated. You just need to be click on activated. Once you click over here, then it will probably activate it on your website. Once it's done, then you will get options here called settings. You just need to be click on setting. Once you click over here, then you will get these options. As you can see it, we have this dashboard where we can see our students, teachers, parents and classes in this dashboard easily. Then we can see activities calendar from that place. As you can see, we have this blue color is called event, red color means exam and holidays. Like you can track your activities through this dashboard. Then if you want to, or if you have teacher list, you can create teachers from that place. Like here you can see that employee code, name, interest class, subject heading, phone and action. Let's do it for yours. Let's provide and first name, that will be MDL, and last name will be, and then date of birth. Okay, let's try it. Okay, October 2000, and it is like broad group. You just need to provide your number, her qualification SSC, and then you completely follow up all the necessary things. Just click on next. You just need to fill up your email address, username, confirm password, and just click on next. Warning, given username already existed, so you just need to be set and the username that is not yet existed. So this way you can see our teacher has been added over that place. You can easily input your teacher list over that place. Once you're done, then we have options called student. So here you can add your students over that place by the roll number, full name, parent name, street address, phone, actions. So you will have whole data over that place. Then also you have this folder called parents. Then go ahead and talk about classes. So you can organize your class number through these options. Here you can easily click on create new and you are allowed to import it. Then similarly you have this subject mark fields, marks, exam and timetable. Just click on exams and let's see here you can add or create your exam list. Let's create new, select class. You just need to select your class, then input your exam name, then click on this one when your exam will be start and it will be ended. Subject name will be all, it's totally depend on you which subject you want to take an exam. Once you're done, then that's the main thing, it's called attendance. So you can track your students attendance from that place. Here you can see attendance report. Select class will be like from 1 to 10 class. So here you can track all these things. If you click on view, then you can watch the attendance sheet. Then you have teacher attendance. Similarly, then you can create events. Similarly, like today is 12, let's click on 13 and we are going to create an event that will be exam, and you can add anything like exam. Then you can select the type, it will be only visible to teacher, or if you want to visible throughout the teacher, then parents, then students. It totally depend on you what kind of a thing you want, and click on set. And as you can see, our exam has been added. If I go visit to dashboard, here you will get this exam option over here. So as you can see it, our in 13 we will had an exam, so we will find out. And here you can see our teacher list has been updated also. So similarly, if you update it, you can see this like analytics in here. Then let's go and talk about notify. So here, what is notify? So notify, let's try to create one. So here you can see notification, it will send notification. Like sometimes a student has not been attend your classes since 7 days, then you just need to be notify his parents that your child is not available or not coming to our classes. So they will find out what is the issue with his children, why he or she is not going to class. Then you can give the description, what is going on in your class, what kind of a result, and what is your future plan. So you can do whatever you want. Then like you can send notification any people in this WP School Press. Then go to talk about the transport. So you can track your transportation system, like some people or some student using vehicle of your school or university, then you just track those. You can add or input your driver list here, vehicle name, vehicle number, driver name, driver phone, route fees, vehicle route, and many things. So this way you can add all the necessary thing like essential for your school. You can easily add it here. Then we have these options, general setting. You can see it, the setting over here. You will just need to add your school name. You can do it your own. Then you have to SMS. If you want to include this SMS option, you just need to purchase this add-on from that place. That's license. If you have license, you will get license for using anything who are premium. Then working hours, here you can see when your class will be started or held. You can record it here, you can set it here also. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you think this was really helpful and I give you a great thing for your school, then don't thank me, you just leave a comment on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.